Okay. What's up, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are at LUFASI Nature Park. We wanted to come and enjoy the serenity of nature and take a break from the inner city for a little bit. We got my wife and my daughter here. Hi. Are you ready to hike? Yeah. And there goes my wife. All right. Good job, baby. Good, I'm glad you liked it. You want to come on? Let me slow down. Okay, go ahead, baby. You see, you have a friend. She wants to play too. There we go. Oh, okay, go ahead, man. Go ahead. There you go. Yeah. Abiola has a new friend. Good job. Go this one. She likes the other one. Try this one right here.
She was in right. I don't like that.
Good shot. Alright guys, Abiola has played a little bit. She's not happy that we're removing her from her playground, but we are waiting on our tour guide to just take us through this area. Good afternoon, ma'am. Oh, okay. Alright, you're gonna be our tour. Alright, Rhoda, ma. Rhoda, very nice to meet you. I'm Bayo, that's Alex, and that's Abiola.
So basically the park is just a park.
Okay.
It's not a zoo.
Okay.
No, it's an amusement park.
Okay.
We are more of an environmental organization.
Okay.
So the park is just basically a tool we use in combating climate change.
Okay.
So we don't have a lot of animals because we are not a zoo. We have animals because we try to use it to educate school pupils.
Okay.
And also because we are open to rescue.
Okay.
So we are people are allowed to bring in animals as against killing them.
Oh, okay.
It's a privately owned park.
Okay.
Owned by Desmond Magic.
Okay.
This location existed as a farmland for over 30 years.
Wow.
And it transitioned into being a nature park in 2015 November. So in front of me we have what we call the animal pet park. We have goats, we have sheep, we have rabbits here.
Okay.
And those are dogs behind us.
Very nice. So when they say dwarf goats, they don't grow past this.
No, there are different species of goats. We have the Sudan goats.
Okay.
We have the dwarf goats.
Okay.
These are dwarf. They are also called the Nigerian dwarf goat.
Oh, okay.
Or West African dwarf goat.
That one has a goatee.
That's the goat.
Huh?
This is the male.
Milk. Oh, that's the male. That's the female. Abby, look, it's a goat. You want to say hi? You want to say hi to the goat? Say hi, goat.
Hi.
They don't bite.
Is this a big one?
Yeah, it's a big one.
You know the kid is so
You want to touch it, baby? No? Watch. Maybe we can feed it.
If we just try to move it.
Let's find the grass to feed it.
Just hold it.
See? Let's go feed it, baby. Look.
Just try it towards there.
Good job, baby. Very nice. Oh, you dropped it.
Just smell the grass.
Use this one, baby. Go like this. Here. There you go. Good job, baby.
Eating it.
Yeah, he's eating it. You want to give it some more?
Okay, two more.
Give it this one.
No, I'll give this one for you.
Okay.
Food.
No, goat, not the sheep. The goat.
Give this one.
See, it has beards.
I'm getting some stuff to feed the animals. Feed the donkeys and check them out. She's coming.
And or like those.
Abiola, come and give. Abby, here, baby, here.
You can take, give it to it one at a time, okay? Okay, maybe there's a smaller one coming, you might take that one.
Oh yeah, give it, baby.
You can also touch. Why you just rub?
Tosha, come and feed this one. See?
No, they are feeding you. I'm not feeding you today. Bella is feeding you.
Good job, baby.
Bella, go and feed that one.
Touch your friend. Go touch your friend. Kuku, look.
Oh, don't you touch me.
It's mommy.
See. Bella, see.
Look, baby.
They don't harm you.
I'm not afraid.
Look, mommy touching. Say hello. How are you? Oh wow, beautiful. You want to touch like me?
Yeah, come and feed again. Yeah, yeah, give this.
Abby, look. Go feed.
Give it to her again. So, this is called the dog pond.
Okay.
Yeah, it's for this dog.
Okay.
Where are the dogs?
On the land.
Oh, they all went to the land.
Yeah, they are all out.
That is nice.
Look at everything. Like trees. You see the trees?
Yeah, no. It's got trees right here. Where was me?
Oh,
Monkey, it's a tree. Hey, Daddy.
Hmm?
A monkey.
Yeah.
Monkey.
oh, that's a Mama sees that.
Hey, nice.
Mama, you want to come closer? Mama. That's a tortoise.
Yeah.
Wow, so ants really made all of this right here.
What do tortoise eat?
They are herbivorous animals. But some of them feed on fresh too. Or smaller animals. But that's a tortoise and she's called Mama T.
Okay.
She's about, okay, she's 101 years old now.
Wow.
101.
101?
I knew it.
Like human age or animal age? Huh?
I don't know.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma
I
T.
think it's human age.
Wow.
I know tortoise is usually one animal that is inherited from generations to another.
Wow.
I don't know, that's okay now, but I don't know, you can handle it too now.
Monkey see, monkey do. How are you?
Whoa. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
No, but what careful.
Don't worry.
Oh, it's a monkey anyway.
Jumping on the
They
bed.
always
But
scratch.
they came out too.
Yeah, one of them. Just that one.
That come out.
He likes to interact.
Oh, you're so cute. Let her hit it off you, okay? Just hold the knot. Give
Hold
it,
it
put it in
not,
her mouth.
hold it hard, hold it well.
Oh, he grabbed it.
Okay, go close.
It's okay, don't disturb it. If not, she would run away with it and climb up.
Yo, off now.
That's so cool.
Yes, dude.
Abby, you see monkey? You like monkeys? Look.
Okay, we'll kill you today.
That's younger, right? I mean,
Far younger.
Yeah, that can
God save you that it is working you did that way.
you talk to me,
They're different species. Those are dangerous. If you come out, what's your name? Whether they're mafia, whatever they are calling. I'll kill you today.
I'll send you his number.
Sonny
I'll
has to
send you
close.
your number. So you talk to me. I know. By God's grace, let's make this work.
See the inner flesh is very tiny. Yeah. So this is Rocky. Here we have 4 species of monkeys. That is Patas, P-A-T-A-S. This is a red-capped mangabee. That's Alex. That's Sonia. Tina is a Muna monkey. Then we have Stella and Margaret. They're both green velvet. No, this is Muna. This is the bigger one. That one that took the fashion. That one. That one.
Hey, mommy.
It's the female of. This is Rocky. This is Akira.
You must like cashew, eh?
Yeah,
ah, that looks good though. I've never seen a cashew.
that's Tina.
Cashew like that.
They are final when they'll be young.
Okay.
I don't want friends.
This is calm, that doesn't play. But this is a very friendly one. But she can be excessively friendly. Like she wants to kiss you, she wants to rub you, all that kind of friendliness.
Okay, go.
And this is the male one of them.
Say hi.
This is not friendly.
What do you want to say hi? You want to go close?
That's why you guys separated him.
Very big.
You can even see the way he's pacing.
You can see the way he puts his leg on.
He's pacing back and forth.
Alex, what?
Yeah,
Eh?
for those
Is anyone bothering you?
He wants cashew, maybe.
I know. Rocky, I'm so sorry. Don't mind her. Eh? You are very
go take a
nice girl,
picture with
that's why I
monkey.
love you. It's what he catch you today. You all don't finish.
What do you call this breed? I really like it.
That's Mona. M-O-N-A. Mona monkey. They are one of the most common breeds in Nigeria.
Has a long tail.
Yeah, very long tail.
Find the monkey. That's the song. Sing the song.
Okay.
That's true, Joey. Listen.
Because how are you touching me? What is going on?
Like, yo, I mean,
I like
So don't bother me.
I'm so hungry. Like, where's my food?
Hey, Daddy.
Mama,
Pushing it that good way.
No.
Pushing it that good way.
Try it.
Did you just swallow that thing?
The bed.
It did! With that small mouth.
Wait,
That's how they do it now.
No.
Sorry to spoil your mouth,
Hey,
girl.
you.
I've done it.
So she's leaving.
Oh, gang.
It's not in the mood.
You give me something.
I tried to do it, but it's still.
Oh,
That's
that's a piece.
when you want to say hi to it,
Almost
maybe I should record me.
very close.
That kid is brave.
Yes. Yeah. About
It's still hungry. Hey, buddy. I'm probably going to be scared,
You just stretch your palm.
but I have no food. She will come. She will hang on me.
Tina!
It's hungry.
Tina!
Yeah.
Hungry.
Tina,
Come. Don't finish it! Come on!
that's so cool.
If I like to grab you, eh?
Wow. That's another anthill. Wow, that one is a big one.
This place keeps going.
Are you tired already?
No. I'm just amazed. Not yet.
So make sure you, Biola, you like to run.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Nice.
Uh-huh.
Like the tree? Okay.
Ṣé o fi pé yẹ kó di ọwọ́ ọmọ yẹn mú? Because
Daddy.
Yeah. Okay, no running, okay? Just walk.
Whoa. This is the tree, Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Like it.
You like it? That's great.
Some of them is scared of the bridge.
Oh, okay. This one, she just goes.
So this is Lake Nara.
Okay.
Me, Daddy.
Mama scared of it.
No.
Hey, Daddy. Wait.
She's like inside. Oh my god.
this is where you want to love me. That's where you just relax.
Careful, baby.
I don't like lizards, especially when they're in my space. No, I don't like them. I like them for you.
Nice. I like this.
Good job. I'm glad you like it, baby.
The face is too full for King Kong. Very loud. You bring King Kong, I'm not coming.
Good job, baby. Careful, careful. Good job. Walk slower. No run, baby, no run. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. This way. Mommy.
Mommy.
Mommy's coming.
Why's not here? She why's not here?
Yeah.
Mommy.
That's it, baby. Mommy's coming.
out far. Like the birds don't come out far. No. I'm saying now we hear the birds. Like they're out there, you don't hear birds.
It's funny.
It's
See
when
them in the morning time when the sun is setting. How do you come? What to see?
yeah, like you can give up away to slide. Maybe do.
I think it's kicking us.
Yeah. Not by force exercise. They're just chilling.
Here you have more trees and more foliage and there, so you will hear more birds sounds more. Yeah, just a few of them. LUFASI is home to over 160 species of birds.
160.
Yeah, over. And these are just a few we had to put in picture.
That's why I come back to.
For you to see.
No, they're not snakes. Oh my god, like just we have already asked them where the snakes are.
But I didn't tell you there were no snakes there. Then I said, you said where did we capture the snake?
Yeah, but what he wanted to know was if there were snakes.
Oh, there are snakes.
Of course there will be snakes, bro.
You come across them and we could not come across them.
No, we will not come across them. Just
What's the fun of this? When we come to in a natural park and we will not see snakes and crocodiles and alligators.
Are you serious about what you're saying?
There's no way you can. In the forest, there's no way you can remove all the snakes from the forest.
See this woman.
Go back to feeding.
You will go back.
No way, after you feed this thing. Try catch a rat.
I remember you hate snakes more than
So this is Aiki's forest. The forest was named after the biggest and the most dominant tree of this forest.
You said dominant spirit?
no trees.
Tree.
Whoa!
And that's the Eki tree?
That's an Eki tree that is between 150 years to 200 years old.
Wow.
Who cut the branch? Who is that wicked person?
No, that's not wicked now.
Oh, wind.
That
Oh,
was like broke.
it broke.
Wow.
I thought it was tall.
So you have so many of that.
Yeah, the one right behind it
Daddy, look!
is also an Eki.
Yeah.
See that? This one.
Okay. Careful, baby.
150. No, dude.
Come on, Daddy.
Wait.
Alright, so that's
Come on.
I've been here twice and I don't know what to say.
Oh, you can grab it on the dime.
Very special.
You've gone out of shape. Forest bathing.
I did eat something.
Wait. I see what you want.
Forest bathing. No, it's a term.
Hey, I heard that, Mommy.
what did it take? How we able to do
Ah, why you call Jackson idiot? Yes, Jackson is a cool guy.
So they just gave you Jackson.
Oh, wow, that's a black ant. Be careful with the bird.
Be careful.
Daddy, come on.
What's up, buffalo?
Come on.
Abby, no running.
Anyone knows what Daddy?
Huh?
Be careful.
No, this was
Be careful, Daddy.
Forest of
Be
buffalo.
hard.
Oh,
Just to tell you that in that how popular it was from. It was
Let it leave, mommy.
buffalo. But right now I can't find one buffalo.
That's so sad.
Oh,
Human
all of
beings.
them. Eating them.
Humans are wicked.
Hey, what's up guys? We just got done with our tour. It's pretty cool. They're saying it's not a zoo, but they do have some animals that you can see. I think we saw a donkey, some monkeys, a few birds, and what else? Yeah, and some ducks. But it was very nice for Abiola to see. It was nice for Abiola to feed a donkey. It was nice for her to feed a monkey. We just needed a little bit of break. So I think it's been very, very, very cool. What else? I think that's it. It was just nice to just get out and experience nature a little bit. It's very quiet and serene. There's sounds of birds chirping. It was just nice for the family to get out. So if you're ever in Lagos, close to the island in Lekki area, I recommend that you come and check out LUFASI Nature Park. It's just a place for you to just come and chillax a little bit, away from the traffic, from the noise, from the people, just to come and hang out. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you've been enjoying my content, been watching my videos, please make sure to subscribe to support my channel. Make sure to like this video and make sure to save this video for things to do when you come to Lagos, Nigeria. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.